Hi, my name is Ricardo Araújo. I am a 23 years old Portuguese graphic designer and studied at Yeti. One day someone told me, "You are one of those people who can sell a refrigerator to an Eskimo." When I finished school and started really studying in the field I wanted, graphic design, everything starts to make sense. I believe that designer's job is to find graphic solutions to solve communication problems. This was the piece I needed to sell my ideas better than anyone else. At first, I feel that I love what I do, and that's essential to being creative. My creativity stems from the need to leave a mark, the ambition to use design to make complex problems into innovative solutions. Basically, create order in the middle of chaos. What makes me feel my absolute best? This one is easy to answer after being named for a pencil, don't you think? I like technology, meeting deadlines, doing sports, and managing my time well. I would say the object that best represents me is my Apple Watch. I take him everywhere. He knows my heart rate right now, how many hours I slept the day before submitting my D&AD project, how many liters of water I drank yesterday. It will probably tell me, "Your heart rate is high," before I know the color of my pencil, or "Take a break, breathe," before opening the email with the results of my application to the New Blood Academy.